Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make orange lightening oil, like from home. Vitamin C oil, orange oil. It is very good on the skin. As you all know that vitamin C is very good. It's an antioxidant. It's good on the skin. It brightens up the skin. Let me not put the lightening. It brightens up the skin, glows your skin beautifully. And today I'll be showing you guys how to make this oil. So guys, let's dive into this video. So I'll be using orange peel for this. Firstly, I'll be washing my oranges before use. Dry off the excess water. I don't need any form of water inside the oil, so make sure it's dried properly. Now I will peel off my orange. So now I'll get a jar and my oil. I am using rapeseed oil. Rapeseed oil is high in antioxidant, which help to protect the skin against the main causes of skin aging. I put the orange peel inside the jar. Put the oil inside. The oil should be over the orange peel. Stir it and cover it and leave it in a cool, dry place for 3 days. So after 3 days, the orange peel have deeply infused properly into the oil. Look how orangey the oil is now. Now I will transfer the oil into the beaker. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of Lightening Glycerin and stir. I'll be adding 4 drops of sweet orange essential oil and stir. Then transfer the oil into serum bottle and a plastic container. The serum bottle will be for the use of the face and the other bottle for my body. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I've shown you guys an easy way to make a lightening oil naturally from scratch. So this orange oil is so beautiful on the skin. You'll love your skin after using this. Vitamin C oil is very nice. Orange oil is a very nice oil on the skin. It brightens up your skin beautifully, naturally, and more glow on your skin. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and it will tell you when I upload a video. So thank you guys, and bye.